Spaghetti and meatballs is a classic dish that invokes fond childhood memories. Serve this to your family and friends, please, without comment. They will never guess that it's gluten, egg, and dairy-free. They will just know that it's delicious. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Make the egg substitute by combining the egg replacer with warm water. Neat Egg and Bob's Red Mill egg replacer are both excellent products. Let them sit while making the meatballs. Combine 1 pound of ground beef with half a cup Kikkoman gluten-free panko crumbs. Add salt, pepper, and Worcestershire sauce. Finally, chop an onion, add it and the egg replacer into the bowl. Add in a 1/4 cup of Cheri's HazelCream. Mix this all together. Your hands are the best tool. Cover a baking sheet with parchment paper, foil, or baking mats. Form the meat mixture into balls about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Bake uncovered for 20 minutes. Watch them. Depending on the size of your meatballs, you may need more time. Cook the pasta according to package instructions. I like to use a technique I learned by watching Alton Brown. You can use the fry pan to cook the pasta, thus eliminating 1 extra pot. Concurrently, heat the pasta sauce. When the pasta is done, drain the water and mix in the sauce. Add 4 ounces of non-dairy Parmesan cheese. Stir until the cheese is melted. Add the cooked meatballs to the mixture and gently stir them in. Be sure they're covered with the sauce. Serve it up and enjoy this fabulous meal.